Hi guys, and welcome to the Voice of AI. I'm Chris Plant, and today we're diving into the essential aspect of search engine optimization, Google's EEAT or EAT checklist, and how it can significantly enhance your website's performance in search engine results. User experience encompasses more than just load times and design. It's all about credibility and trust. EAT is experience, expertise, authoritativeness, and trustworthiness, and that's the foundation of Google's ranking system. EAT isn't merely a term, it's a vital signal that Google uses to access website quality and reliability in response to user queries. So why is EEAT or EAT critical in an SEO? As search engines navigate similar content, EAT helps signalize most of the credible and trustworthy sources of information. Search engine recommendations. A higher EAT score increases the likelihood of search engines recommending your website to users, solidifying your position as a credible source in your industry. Continual improvements. Optimizing for EAT requires continuous enhancements in all areas of experience, expertise, authoritativeness, and trustworthiness. And regardless of your industry or YMYL topics, focusing on EAT is a real game changer. YMYL, or your money or your life, is a term coined by Google to denote a category of web content that could significantly impact a person's future happiness, health, financial stability, or safety. The EAT score. To bolster your EEAT score, consider enhancing your industry experience, showcasing expertise, building authority, and creating high-quality, trustworthy content. The quartet is crucial for climbing up the search engine rankings. And remember, Google's EAT checklist isn't just a set of guidelines, it's a pathway to stronger credibility and higher SERP rankings. So here are the guidelines. Number 1, experience. Demonstrate your industry experience. Provide clear evidence of your team's extensive experience in a niche that you serve. This could include testimonials from clients, case studies, or mentions in industry publications. Highlight your team's qualifications. Showcase the credentials and expertise of the individuals behind the content. This could include bios, professional profiles, or even certifications. Showcase your history. Emphasize the longevity of your presence in the industry. This could include dates of establishment, company milestones, or any accolades that you might have received. Number 2, expertise. Provide in-depth, well-researched content. Create content that goes beyond basic information and delves into the intricacies of your industry. This could involve conducting original research, analyzing data, or citing authoritative sources. Ensure your content is easy to understand for a non-expert audience. Avoid jargon and technical terms whenever possible. Present content in a structured format and organize your content using headings, subheadings, and bullet points to make it easy for readers to navigate and absorb information. You can see one of our videos here on post types. Number 3, authoritativeness. Build backlinks from credible sources. Earn backlinks from reputable websites in your industry to demonstrate your authority. This could involve guest blogging, participating in industry events, or collaborating with influencers. Try to feature in industry publications. Seek out opportunities to be featured in the respected industry publications or podcasts, and this will help establish your brand as a thought leader. Contribute to open source projects. Participate in open source projects or communities related to your industry. This will demonstrate your commitment to knowledge sharing and expertise. And number 4, trustworthiness. Establish transparency. Be upfront about your affiliations, your potential conflicts of interest, and any sponsored content, because this builds trust with your audience. Actively engage with your audience. Respond to comments, questions, and feedback promptly and professionally. This demonstrates that you value your users' input. Adhere to ethical practices. Avoid making unsubstantiated claims, promoting products or services without disclosure, or engaging in manipulative SEO tactics. We should all adhere to the principles of EAT or EEAT. is fundamental in our commitment to providing high quality, credible and trustworthy content, and we continuously strive to enhance the user experience, demonstrate expertise, build authority, and ensure unwavering trustworthiness in everything that we offer. Make sure you do that in the future. So good luck. I've put a prompt in the YouTube description that you can try using in ChatGPT when you want to use EAT on your blog posts. Well, that's it for today. So thanks for watching the video. And if you haven't already, please like and subscribe to our channel for more AI related content and tips. And join me on the journey to unlock the potential of AI. And of course, if you have any questions or feedback, please leave them in the comment section below. And I'll see you next time, and all the very best indeed. I'm Chris from the Voice of AI. Cheers and bye-bye now.